Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Brainy Broadcast, the channel where we dive deep into the world of knowledge and education. Here at Brainy Broadcast, we're dedicated to bringing you insightful educational content that will not only expand your mind, but also empower you to excel in your educational journey and beyond. Whether you're a student striving for academic excellence, a lifelong learner hungry for new insights, or simply someone who loves to explore the world of education, you've come to the right place. We're all about providing you with tips, strategies, and fascinating information that will spark your curiosity and ignite your passion for learning. Brainy Broadcast is not just a channel. It's a community of like-minded individuals who share a thirst for knowledge. Your thoughts and ideas are a vital part of this journey. Our mission is clear: to empower you with the tools and information you need to succeed in your educational journey and beyond. Together, we'll embrace the joy of learning. So, if you're ready to embark on this educational adventure with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell.